everybody, it's Ty at McDermott Design, and today we're going to be installing our new rear window Molle panel for the Polaris Xpedition. As you can see here, we have the Molle panel itself and then all of the included hardware that you'll need to mount this in the rear of the car. And the one tool that you're going to need is a 10mm socket or wrench. So with that, let's go ahead and get started on the install. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is if you have the factory tie-down hook points on the rail, we're going to remove those just so they're out of our way. Locate that in their slot, and then they just come up and out. So to get this mounted in the car, we're going to put it into position here. It's going to be tying into the top, bottom, and rear rails here. We're going to be using the supplied hardware with the nut pre-fastened about all of the way down. That way it makes fastening it to the rail here a bit easier. We're going to slide it into position and then go ahead and get that snug but not all the way tight. And what we're going to do is we're going to do one up here, one at the rear rail at the back of the car, and then we're going to go ahead and do the other two positions next, and then the bottom ones. With the bottom mounting, we gave you a little tab to hold on to, and then this profile is going to drop down into the rail here and allow you to fasten to the rail at the bottom of the bed. So again, we're just going to be taking that fastener, dropping it into the slot here, using that little finger tab to hold on to it, and then bolt that into the rail. Once we have them all into place, just like I did, we're going to go around and fasten them all nice and snug. Want to make sure that we have really nice tighten on all of these, that way it's getting pulled up nice and flush to the rails. And then once that's in place, you have the option of either leaving your factory hook points off of the car, or they can still get mounted right back into position to keep that connection point for a hook. Gives you a ton of options when it comes to the mounting system here. You can use either nut and bolt combinations to directly bolt things to this panel, or if you have some Velcro straps or any traditional Molle panel mounted items, you can go ahead and put that on. It may be easier for you to get your mounting sorted out while this is not on the car, so you have full access to everything. Then once you have your organization system laid out, take the panel and mount it into the car. Okay, that takes care of the install on our rear window Molle panel for the Polaris Xpedition. As you can see, it was a pretty easy install. These are going to be offered in either a single or as a pair, and they're going to be coming in black powder coat options only. We went ahead and did the install with a raw aluminum one just to kind of help with visibility, but the black is going to hold up really nice and to keep a nice clean look. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comments below, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one and stay safe on the trails.